Yeah, peeps. Watch out now. You know what we there? Mile Gully with it. Yeah. Today we are giving a little piece of trouble in our gully. Got the official dancing we have to go. We can't go cause we have work. See crocodile in there. Yeah, if you wanna know. Like crocodile me play, you know. Star Squad, big up yourself, you know. Yeah man, big up yourself man. Star Squad boss, big up yourself. You know, peeps. Don't know. If you don't like that sound, the Star Squad I want the booking so you can link me up for your number, you see me? Yeah man. The 1st of August, Star Squad anniversary. See me? This over there. Yeah man, so Star Squad big up. You know? And yes peeps. We love the interaction on the page man. So we want to continue thing man. Want to like up and share up the thing man. See me? Continue like up the thing, share up the thing. Give me some comment, you see me? Yeah man, me like it. So I want to continue man. Just continue man. Share up the thing, like up the thing, give me some comment man. You see me? Yeah, interact with the same way, yeah? Yeah. So today trouble in our gully with it. Jaro Ruffcut. Yeah man, we there venue already because we left one dance and come here so. You know. So we are get like a shit here first. You know. Ruffcut in there go and pack out so. We breeze out one half an hour before we give you the official video, you know. Yeah man, so Mile Gully with the peeps. And again, big up Star Squad. You know? Yeah man. Star Squad big up. So people remember, wanna share up the thing man, like up the thing man, give some comment man. You know, subscribe man. Tell a friend to subscribe, you know. Make you push that channel to the top. You know, because we are putting in the work, you know. So we need the help go to the top, you know. Yeah man. So little more my peeps. You know, we'll get a little shot the eye and then we check out, make gonna see what go on in the island and sit there, see me? What's the deal? Got put up already. Work along. Jar and I reach it. Bad generator over there, so trouble in our gully. So we're there. The jar of them reach it. Jaro reach now. Jaro chocolate. Soon go now walk through venue. Soon go now walk through venue, my kids.
You know say Papa Jaro, I be champion. Jaro murder any song in a session. Listen to the style and learn the pattern. Some boy, you shouldn't test the champion. Some boy, you couldn't this the number one. You come in at the dance and big up your chest. You are the worst, Papa Jaro are the best. Missing at the east. east and the best in the west. That's why Papa
Yeah, just I get the circle because it is a play.
some boys you should know that's
Yeah.
the champion.
Jaro, turn on you now.
At the number one, Jaro.
Oh, make a walk out, we make a no so walk on.
Oh, you feel best that song, yeah. And this is sound of murder. Whoa, whoa. Say Papa Jaro at the ultimate. Go listen to your tape and listen your cassette. Cause if you test the Jaro at instant death. Son boy, you shouldn't test the champion. You shoulda know say Papa Jaro at the one. One in the east, one in the west. And sound like you is nothing but a pest. Son boy, you shouldn't test the champion. Son boy, you shouldn't try that. Son boy, you shouldn't do that. Hey, hey. Son boy, you shouldn't test the champion. Hey, son boy, you shouldn't test the number one. You know say Papa Jaro are still number one. You know say Papa Jaro are the champion. Jaro murder any sound in a session. Listen to the style and learn the pattern. Son boy, you shouldn't test the champion. Son boy, you could not this the number one. You come in at the dance and big up your chest. You are the worst, Papa Jaro are the best. Best in the east and the best in the west. That's why Papa Jaro.
Kill man with a business. Kill man.
Yeah, after the man Killaman Jaro and I must present. For gun can't go, we now go them the bad like we all and them wireless dream.
You shouldn't try that, some boy. You shouldn't do that. Hey, some boy, you shouldn't test the champion. Hey, some boy, you shouldn't test the number one. You know say Papa Jaro are still number one. You know say Papa Jaro are the champion. Jaro murder any song in a session. Listen to the style and learn the pattern. Some boy, you shouldn't test the champion. Some boy, you could not test the number one. You come in at the dance and big up your chest. You are the worst, Papa Jaro are the best. Best in the east and the best in the west. That's why Papa Jaro the people request. Hey, some boy, you should not test the champion. Cause Papa Jaro are the number one. Jaro. You know say Papa Jaro are the champion. Jaro murder any song in a session. Listen to the style and learn the pattern. Some boy, you shouldn't test the champion. Some boy, you could not test the number one. You come in at the dance and big up your chest. You are the worst, Papa Jaro are the best. Best in the east and the best in the west. That's why Papa Jaro the people request. You shouldn't try that, some boy. You shouldn't do that. Hey, some boy, you shouldn't test the champion. Hey, some boy, you shouldn't test the number one. You know pattern. Some boy, you shouldn't test the champion. Some boy, you couldn't list the number one. You come in at the dance and big up your chest. You are the worst, Papa Jaro are the best. Best in the east and the best in the west. That's why Papa Jaro the people request. Hey, some boy, you shouldn't test the champion. Cause Papa Jaro are the number one. Jaro. Oh, you fit test that song, yeah. And this a song of murder. Whoa, whoa. Say Papa Jaro are the ultimate. Go listen to your tape and listen your cassette. You shouldn't try it, somebody. You shouldn't do that. Hey, some boy, you shouldn't test the champion. Hey, some boy, you shouldn't test the number one. You know say Papa Jaro as the number one. You know say Papa Jaro as the champion. Jaro murder any song in a session.
Killaman Jaro, and I'm a represent. We're going to the bad life we are in the one street.
Because there is some motherfucking question of Jesus.
Killaman Jaro song. I think that's the die. Run it. Next time. Oh wait. Say Killaman Jaro. Killaman Jaro. Oh. Say next time. Say I don't know about those soldiers in Killaman Jaro. Say don't know righteous and pastors.
My bad. Problem, Sean. Big up yourself. Nah, stop getting problem. Killer Wayne, big up yourself. This is the original Killaman Jaro. Boom style. Tony Curtis representing. Mad something. Make it run, man. Oh, Jaro, a weed band sound, boy. Hey, Jaro, a ganja man sound. Say I'm great, he's going through it. Killaman Jaro, that is the reason why this song, why I
Killaman Jaro sound greatest sound in the whole wide world. That sound boy hear this. Some boy claim that him a the champion. Another one go back or call himself down. But when it come to real competition, only Killaman Jaro sound can play. Hey, down, down, let it go, Virgin. That sound boy, where you come from? Down, 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 wait, hey. Jaro sound a play. Down, 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 down. Jaro, draw back your bow, intellect. This wanna go straight to some boys head for me. Nobody but me. Jaro, please hear my cry and to let this one fly. Straight to idiot, some boys head for me. Whoa, out. I said, God, we're gonna bother you. I'm in distress. Idiot, some boy out there in my cause of distress. I know you can kill this gun without the plate before we step to the gate. Jaro, please, please, turn back your bow and to let this water go. You are some boys that for me. No, nobody but me. Hey, Jaro, please hear my cry and to let Jaro's question. Jaro question. Does he love me with all your heart?
The gun is on, motherfucker, because you know.
Should I worry when we're apart? It's a Jaro's question. I don't like to know. Does she need me as she pretends? If this is a game, will I really win? It's a Jaro's question. Jaro would like to know more. It's a lover's question. Jaro would like to know more. Does my baby want me as she pretends? If this is a game, will I really win? Jaro! It's a lover's question. Jaro would like to know more. It's a lover's question. Jaro would like to know more. Does she love me with all her heart? Should I worry when we're apart? It's a lover's question. Jaro would like to know.
You shouldn't try test this sound, yeah. No. A murder. You shouldn't try play this sound, yeah. No. We a go kill them a one by one, and Jaro a go kill them a 2 by 2, and Jaro a go kill them a 3 by 3. Come catch up on the Tony Papa laughing spree. Me have to sing murder. You shouldn't try test the Jaro. No. A murder. Say there is gonna be rough times.
Jaro, got it song.
Rougher than the days of Sodom and Gomorrah. Oh Lord. And there is gonna be bloodshed. So all wicked people enjoy your head. Chaplain, it a go rain in a this some boy, and it a go trade in a this Amagidi. Fire for him burns in a this Amagidi.
today. I mean, such a long and made a sound today. And so I can almost safely say that today was a good day. Killaman Jaro and made a sound today. And we not gonna keep the lava locked away. So I'm why not get no chance to pray and be with him family. And if him friends should have decide tomorrow, it's gonna be pain and sorrow. Cause when I make the boy get thirsty and bright, tell them say nothing I go so. I read it too, but I behind our parole. To expose I got burn and morrow. So a fool better careful with him life. I live it right because now Killaman Jaro start to turn on it and the pussy and women start to laugh. Bank up the pussy, fear and identify them body. Police are flying up in a
Jaro, outer international. You fool, someone. Tell me Mr. Soundful.
Killaman Jaro,
Tell me
bodies.
say you roll. All I say you grab your head gun skull. Now Jaro, run your with a 45 and you dey jump like a mule. Hey, you Mr. Sound Clown. I talk about you want a showdown. How will you there when we are one town? Hey, you better eat your ass come out and stop for home. Watch me say, I play some little sound out and know that practice. Some of them are come and tell me then you shoot and miss. And if you don't too hard, you make the next target. To the elder and your family of this, you are this. Just two birds, no right away, with only lip. You don't lose your answer on the center, and then we forget still. I say you run Jan Public when you see you. If you love badness, no come to me with no friend. Everything you see, I find what you love it so much. It don't think you are reason for your time. I didn't know that like this. Yeah, cool. So they all the one that name right now. I Jaro them now won't be bold. Right now, I Killaman Jaro, I go kill them out. Right now, from your kingdom now, I on your out. Right now, the one that name right now. I Jaro them I won't be bold. Right now, Killaman Jaro come to kill them out. Right now, from your kingdom now, I on your out. Right now, go watch them before the fire be fit one. Now the fit one bust me gun. I'm going in and Jamaica make the crime can't done. And the fire be fit one. Now the fit one bust me gun. If I run out them out and I beat off them gun. And the fire be fit one. Now the fit one bust me gun. I'm going in and the world make the crime can't done. And the fire be fit one. Now the fit one bust me gun. Radar with Jaro. take selector life. We don't need no gun to kill a thing on sound. Can't need no knife, we take selector life. Just pass it up, play the media. I make we get our corruption from media. Now don't say, pass up, play the media. And we say, come in the media. But we say, come make we chat to the media. And then to all the false leaders. How come to number out sexy media? And when we look at the media. But we don't need a gun to kill a media sound. And we don't need a gun to take selector life. We don't need a gun to kill a thing on sound. And we don't need a knife to take selector life.
Bartender full of Freddy Cup. When G-Scope step in a dance, he money enough. Greenfield, Ashfield, Valley. When Jaro come a dance, man a drink beer, liquor, no flicker. Liquor, throw no try till he bitter. And Jaro no MCs and we no follow back and we no drive from. I'm here say yo, Killaman Jaro sound, me say G-Snoop and me say Freddy. And me say you don't know, big up all ring spend that of school, me not think you don't know. And me say you don't know a 90s, me say. And me say agent over there so spend them money, Dirty Friday, spend them money, thank you, spend them money. I Jaro, aka the bad soul. Bartender full of Freddy Cup. When G-Snoop step in a dance, he money enough. Greenfield, Ashfield, Valley. When Jaro come a dance, man a drink beer, liquor, no flicker. Killaman Jaro, baddest. I'm here say yo, Killaman Jaro sound, me say G-Snoop and me say Freddy. And me say you don't know, big up all ring spend that of school, me not think you don't know. And me say you don't know a 90s, me say. A Jaro, aka the bad sound. Bartender full of Freddy Cup. When G-Snoop step in a dance, he money enough. Greenfield, Ashfield, Valley. When Jaro come a dance, man a drink beer, liquor, no flicker. Liquor, throw no try till he bitter. And Jaro no MCs and we no follow back and we no drive fast. But some boy come a dance and can't buy liquor. Which liquor? Liquor, throw them dry till he bitter. And if them a MCs, them a follow back and them a drive fast. Because some dress up in a jeans and tees and crepe and can't buy one cigarette. And if them floss in a clubs, long chain with the cross and never have no money yet. And some of them have them own and want the next man own. And that's why Batty man bring enough of them home. Them can't buy credit and have S6 phone. I love big beg like Simone. Because some song come up like a them a the killer. Which killer? Well a Jaro a the killer. And of some na MCs them a get up and them a die fast. And come up like a them a the killer. Which killer?
Well, this is survival. Where me and them want to be your rival. And them worship nothing but idol. Want there's a Ricky Trooper who is the big time official. Well, them see a burial. People dressed in black. It must be a funeral. Who own the yard? We shot the boss and we kill the bodyguard. Anywhere we go dance around, we are yard and rock brand. Super I won't shot you know we are not bad. This is Killaman Jaro sound.
Killaman Jaro.
Now this is sound like Killaman Jaro sound. Move it up far down now, back no time and time. Second mic is in a new channel. Put a band on, yeah. White and massive fun, come on, let's go. Cause King Jaro come to kill Sinner tonight, you know. Boy, Killaman Jaro sound. This is Killaman Jaro sound. Well, this is survival. Where we have them want to be your rival. And them worship nothing but idol. What is a Ricky Trooper who is the big time official? Well, them see a burial. People dressed in black. It must be a funeral. Who own the yard? We shot the boss and we kill the bodyguard. Anywhere we go dance around, we are yard and rock brand. Super I won't shot you know we are not bad. This is Killaman Jaro sound harder than hard. I put you back on me and dash down it when I know. And any sound boy this, any sound mess, and any sound test that a place. Not the one from east over to west, Ricky Trooper. Not only the world of Canada, Kansas, where I come from in the country. I was young in the
Jaro, baddest.
If you know say your pain and sorrow, from your round Killaman Jaro. Yo, you me a say man, yo Freddy Krueger, yo King David, yo Problem Sean, yo J Snow.
Killaman Jaro,
baddest. You me a say man, yo Killaman Jaro. Them say them bad like we, and boy they just come. No long man a blood clot bust gun. Jaro, they pussy them. Start war and the police so one call. Boom, and bird up call us hardball. We do sex so we don't, but we ain't can ball. Boy skin put a tougher than call. When me cell phone there, make a small call. Killaman Jaro with the tall. Jaro bad like 90s dancehall. This time is just one that you can't fall. With 3 times 7 magnum can't fall. You could have be a big chap but your heart small. Boom, hardball and belly man can't fall. Put it head, Jaro with hardball. Just them up, give me the line like sharp fall. Punch them up, take them better than your can't fall. Take the gun and them take them. I'm going to get single, kill 'em.
Killaman Jaro, baddest.
Oh yeah, Jaro sound, that sound killer. Well, yeah. Listen. No, you should try to play it's over. Jaro sound is here to stay. Jump and you should run for cover, yes. 'Cause your sound will die today. Jaro don't fail you, the killer will eliminate you. And it does not matter what dubs you play. You're not a killer, you're only a pretender. The Jaro's gonna bust your face today, yeah. No, you should try to play it's over. There is killing in our heart.
Hey, King David. Hey, what's up, now? Hey, sit down there. I'm a grown up. Hey, Killaman, I'm a tell them second nonsense. We got kill some days. They make hard money, so when the big things face up. I love the things that you see. You give ass on it. You got a Killaman Jaro sound. And the big sound of two things going on channel. New York City, everything pretty. Go to where y'all are, man. You're a problem, Sean. I don't say G-Stones, I'm not paid. Man. Hey, King David. Hey, what's up, now? Hey, sit down there. I am grown up. Hey, Killaman, I'm a tell them second nonsense. We got kill some days. They make hard money, so when the big things face up. I love the things that messy when they give ass and the swift. Them no season. Found them the trees I send. Black fruit and my taste. Down when you could never see that I taste. Come we still I get that picky when the rock when I gaze. See me how we treated.
mighty Killaman Jaro. And a Sanchez passed to a ninja for the original silent assassin. Do remember some boy over there across the margin? It's just killing. Original road boy Sanchez coming.
Hold on here like no matter how so you dead. No! See, hey, it's some kind of funny, but I just can't stand the pain. Some boy, but you're leaving us tomorrow. Hey, seem to me, some boy, you've got all the pain. Yeah, you know you begged all that you borrow. Hey, ooh, with Jaro you killed it. Jaro you killed them on a Sunday morning. Say Jaro you killed it. Jaro you killed them on a Sunday morning.
Let it burn them like when great
hear this message, then I will not sting again. Bun tight pants to him, see him one. He not them Merlin, God run me beg God to make sure win again. Will if a Christian gone back, God sin again. I will if a Rasta boy turn back and go trim again. Just to try to cheat them and the latest beam of them. But it but Stewart should I ever get poor again. Start take bus and I sleep on floor again. And some missionary turn back, got on whore again. And some little girl, now be a crowd like a store again. Push so all this and fucking skull more again. Moses, come tell them more again.
From Buckland, hallelujah, me go stop. But hear me say, none of them pussy in a bad like way. And none of them pussy in a rough like way. And none of them pussy in a rough. Life is a treasure.
So me go so, I want the boy them want to make them know Killaman Jaro ready for. We are here to keep them up, they call it hard, them up to the far. That's how we need us, make them know we don't want to play the far.
Hear the Jaro. Start it up. Cause I went down them and they never land. We have them never dance and do them like I never make them go back man up partial to the music and fever. Try to talk material, brand new material. Kill them in a sequel. In a party man, they go there make me fix up like a signal. This one is international. Don't just call a global. Listen to this next one, this word is so essential. Killaman Jaro, I got flip sound. We roll beat, motherfucker. Kill pussy sucker. They come and look and get shot. Get those every dollar, yeah. So when you see me at the dance, me a friend with me at that. You know it's scandal, man. And when you see me at the dance, and Jaro I play me the man that DJ. You see the house when me living at the camp when we cry. Them a ask who want to get it. When enough time in race and I want and I pray and I tell you get a look you right. What is father coming goes me to the high grade dream. Me father make a push away the hard and the illegal like the them on the road in the green. In the back of the master the ego. Pedro, I'm sure you never stop. Memories don't live like people do, but they always remember you. Rather things are good or bad, it's just the memories that you. Some pussy on the pack, you me say, when the boys stop it, don't get it fast. Stop remember when you're a now you got that mean you're solo. Just like a serpent, still on them. Again, I'm defender of the Apache. Got him and me brother, so me don't fear nobody. Geronimo, man, me don't fear. Me a round the gun, oh me no none. Come on, a bad man, wicked man, no talk man shit. Me got them in a me and mark it on this. Murder your woman, make your papa stand. Now tell that story, I'm telling them something. It's when Jaro play them bumbo clad tune. I love that fans thing, more I say all I fans in the everyone. Say if a pussy want test, I tell that. Can nothing beat a trial like a play that before. And if you get your program, I make this good fun. Everybody will come from a blood them. What if you don't want people to know? And then you want to pop up, want to pop up, want to pop up, want to pop up, fly like somebody I got dead, somebody. Jump up for class, me say play low. Me say play low, low, yeah. Some post soul and know say right now Killaman Jaro big town. You see, some more know say New York this way you have the most blood clot bridge. And you got England, you have a next bridge. Now you got Japan, you have much blood clot. freaky, but no girl can take me stride. Oh no, now, cause all the funny girls ready been around and never once go on down. So I keep on standing up and stay from off the ground. Bumbo clap, what's up in the air? When no girl never sit in your face like this. And how much you have to fight yourself.
Digital and analog, look girl inna me top talk. Temple and me sing nigga, look girl inna me top talk. But even if I the bank out, as I got this, me tell her pop jab. Crazy, look girl inna me top talk. Man I put on the king nigga, look girl inna me top talk. Temple and me sing nigga, look girl inna me top talk. Me nah fi boast, you see me man. Them not so boy they ever rap, but we never rap. Killaman Jaro.